In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Surfshark VPN. I'm going to test out all of the security and privacy features that this VPN has to offer. I'm going to compare the speeds and server locations to other top tier VPNs, and I'm going to test out the VPN on various services such as Netflix and much more that you might want to be unblocking. So if you want to see if Surfshark is a good VPN in 2024, then check out the rest of this video. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the speed, and on the screen right now you'll see my speed test compared with no VPN enabled and then having Surfshark connected. So on the left you will see my download speed right now is 758 megabits per second, and on the right I've got 725 with Surfshark enabled, which shows a small percentage drop. Now I'm testing my upload speed, and for some reason on the upload speed test, Surfshark was just not performing. I had a major speed decrease on Surfshark, and I was getting a 58% speed drop and a 4% speed drop on my download speed. So the download speeds are very good on Surfshark, and no matter how many times I ran the test, I was still getting a huge speed drop on my upload speed. It could just be the day or time that I was testing with the VPN, or there could be an issue with the upload speeds, but the speeds are still very good, and the download speed especially is only a small percentage drop compared to having no VPN enabled. When it comes to comparing Surfshark VPN to other top tier VPNs, the speeds are very similar when it comes to the download speed. The only place it fell short was the upload speed. Now, when it comes to the ping, it performed very well. It's actually quicker than ExpressVPN, which I rank as my top VPN in 2024. So if you're planning on using this VPN for gaming, then Surfshark is a great option. Next up, I want to test Surfshark VPN on Netflix, which is the most popular streaming platform right now. What you might not know is Netflix has a huge catalog of movies and TV shows that you can watch. The only problem is they are geo-restricted, which means they're limited to specific countries or regions around the world. So let's say you wanted to watch a specific show and it's only available in Germany. Well, you could VPN to Germany and then access Netflix from the VPN, and you'll be able to watch that show. The problem is Netflix blocks most common VPNs. If you've tried any free VPN, they're probably blocked on Netflix. So I want to test if Surfshark can bypass this block. So on my screen right now, you'll see this website called UNOGS, which shows a variety of different TV shows and which countries they're currently available in. So I've just browsed down and found this random show called Steins Gate, which is available in Japan, Portugal, and Spain. So on my VPN, I'm just going to search for Spain, and then I'm going to connect to that VPN. And now I'm connected, I'm going to go back to Netflix and I'm going to refresh the page. So Netflix has now refreshed and I'm on the Spanish Netflix. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that it says the top 10 films in Spain today. So it recognizes that I'm on a Spanish connection. So now I want to search the show and see if it's available for me. And as you can see, Steins Gate shows up. I just don't want to click it and watch it and get a copyright strike. But if you wanted to, you could click and watch that show with your Spanish VPN enabled. And Surfshark is working great on Netflix. Next up, I want to go through some of the features that Surfshark VPN has. So on the main screen, you have all of the locations that you can choose from. Now, Surfshark offers servers in over 65 different countries with 3,200 servers to choose from. And on here, you can change to a static IP server, which is a server that the IP doesn't change or rotate. It will stay the same forever. You also have MultiHop servers, which basically ports you through multiple servers. So you might connect to Germany first, and then you might exit out of a United Kingdom server or an American server. And then you also have a dedicated IP, which allows you to maintain the same IP when using the VPN. This is a great feature if you want to avoid any blacklisting that might happen. So most people, when they use a VPN, will connect to IPs that might have been blacklisted by Google, for example, and then you have to constantly fill out captchas. Well, this can get you past that and you won't have to deal with any of those annoying issues. So Surfshark has some extra features that are not exactly VPN related, but they offer an alert feature, which just notifies you if any of your passwords or details have been leaked online. They also have an antivirus, which I don't use, but you could choose to use it to secure your machine. If you go to settings and then click on VPN settings, you're able to configure the VPN. You have a kill switch feature, which will basically keep your internet cut out until you reconnect to the VPN. This is great at stopping IP leaks from happening in that short span of time when you might reconnect to the internet but not be behind the VPN. You also have the protocol section, which allows you to change the protocol from OpenVPN to WireGuard. I'd recommend using WireGuard or just keeping it on automatic as it's much quicker than OpenVPN. And then you have a bypasser, which is also more commonly known as split tunneling, which allows you to set certain programs or your browser to run through the VPN and then bypass it on other programs that you don't want running through the VPN. Next, I want to take a look at the privacy and security features that Surfshark VPN offers to make sure that your privacy is maintained. First up, Surfshark is based out of the British Virgin Islands, which is a great privacy jurisdiction to be based out of and is amazing for operating a VPN. This ensures they can offer a no logs policy, which means they do not keep any logs on any way that you use the VPN. So no connection timestamps, nothing you use the VPN for, none of your browsing history, none of that at all. It's also been audited twice, once by Cure 53 and once by Deloitte, and you can read these reports which break down Surfshark's no logs policy and explains all of the processes that they went through. Now, when it comes to security, Surfshark VPN offers the best encryption standard they can, which is AES 256-bit encryption, which is used by most companies in the VPN space and is used by governments and militaries worldwide and is very, very secure. You can trust that when using the VPN, it is a secure encrypted tunnel. So when you're sending information to the server, Surfshark is encrypting it and no one can spy on what you're doing. Alongside this, all of the servers are RAM only. That means that every time the server is rebooted, the RAM data is wiped and nothing is stored on any hard drive, so they're not keeping any data on their users. So how does Surfshark stack up when it comes to price? Well, Surfshark is the budget-friendly option compared to the likes of NordVPN and ExpressVPN, but it is in the same price range as CyberGhost and Private Internet Access, which I think offer better performance. When you look at the price, it offers 2 months free if you use the link in the description on a 24-month plan, and you'd be paying around $2 per month with a 79% discount if you get the longest plan. In my opinion, this is very budget friendly. As I said, it's in line with Private Internet Access and CyberGhost, which offer similar pricing plans, but they offer slightly better performance. But if you prefer Surfshark, then again, it can be a great option. And I would rank Surfshark as my 5th rated VPN. So it definitely stacks up there and is a great VPN to use. So now I want to answer some frequently asked questions when it comes to Surfshark VPN. The first is, can I get a free trial for Surfshark? And the answer is yes, you can get a free trial, but you have to have it on Android or iOS. And you'll get a 7-day free trial by downloading the app onto your device and then using the VPN. The problem is it's going to renew at a much higher price. So I would recommend using the link in the description after your trial. And that way you would save the most amount of money and you will get 2 months free, and it will renew at a lower price compared to using the free trial and then renewing from there. The next question is, can I use Surfshark VPN for torrenting? And yes, you can use Surfshark for torrenting and peer-to-peer features. Next question is, how many devices can I use Surfshark VPN on? And you can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. That means you can install it on your mobile phone, your computer, your TV, and connect them all at the same time, and you won't run into any problems. The next question is, does Surfshark VPN offer any discounts or coupons? And yes, they offer a big discount. And if you want to get the largest discount, which gives you the most amount of money off and several months for free, then check out the link in the description, as I've reached out to them and asked to get the biggest discount possible for my viewers. So that sums up my review on Surfshark VPN. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to check out other VPN reviews, comparisons, and buying guides, then check out the rest of my channel.